VidShop AI, which is the most powerful and new software launch on Launchpad. This is one of the tool which make you shoppable video with your affiliate link. So make any YouTube video shoppable, and so viewer click on buy product directly from inside the video. Any and you collect the commission 24 by 7. So basically, this tool help you to add your affiliate link inside the video, and shopper will click on your particular affiliate link, and they will redirect to their uh, particular affiliate network or affiliate platform or sales page. So everything you get inside the vidshop.ai YouTube skit short MP4 URL. You can paste any YouTube video and any short and any kind of the MP4 URL that convert into the shoppable video. Drag and drop tag builder, any affiliate network, one click embedded, real time analysis, 3 5 higher conversion, 100% cloud based, commercial right included, no monthly fees, and 30-day money back guarantee. And this is launch price $14. Uh, no monthly fees needed. This is one time $14 price. Million of views pennies in commission here. Why? So million of you and there is no commission because you don't embed your affiliate link inside the video, and this tool help you to build your affiliate link inside the video, and you can when you get million of you will get million of commission as well, because this makes your video totally different and any other video. What happen when you put the buy button where buyer actually are? So when you put the buy button where buyer actually are and searching on internet, and your video will show them, and they will click on your link and they will definitely buy, because they are warm audience, and they're going to the convert in easily if you show them the right product in front of them. So there is a lots of creator who have used this video, this AI tool, and have generated good amount of money. This is for tech builders, fashion, apparel, fitness channel, cooking, digital marketing, beauty product, education, make money online, home and decor kind of the YouTuber can use this platform to generate the commission, and any other YouTuber also use, because there is a option is there to upgrade the affiliate link, so you can enter the affiliate link any of this any of the product as you want. Paste your This is a three-step formula. They paste your URL and drag and tag your product and embed and publish your content on the internet. It will generate you the 25/7 commission as you get the view. This is a one VidShopR AI dashboard and some video. You can see you can see you can see this kind of the buy now button there. So shopper or viewer click on buy now button during the video, so they can access. If they like the product, they can access, and they can buy from there from the directly from your video. This kind of button will show inside the video, which is a popping up during the video, and the people, if you want, they will purchase from this particular tag. There's two tag mentioned in this video, so you can create such kind of video which create multiple sale, we generate multiple sales for you actually, because there is a full drag and drop builder, tag builder, image, text, and city your way. You can Customize your text CTA as per your requirement. Everything inside video with Shopper AI, multi-source video support, drag and drop tech builder, custom CTA designer, universal link supporter, real-time analyzing, click embedded generator, mobile-friendly player, 100% cloud-based, commercial license included, and they also offer $14 launch period of price. This price will increase if the time period is over. They also offer some bonuses. When you purchase, you will get some bonuses with the this with shop AI. This is comparison chart of the with shop AI. You can compare here, and they also offer 30-day money back guarantee, which is amazing and good for the buyer without any hurry. Without any worry, they will buy. So there is a bonus Shopify DFY, shoppable campaign template, shoppable video income playbook, and 15 free is traffic source for shoppable videos. This is some of the review I have received from their beta users, and that's my review for the uh, Get with Shopper AI, which is one of the amazing software. You can definitely check out my affiliate link from description so that you can go and purchase